I am a fourth generation Tucsonan native of Pima County. My great-grandfather came out here in the late 1890s, so this place is in my blood, you could say. The Arizona Constitution, Article 2, Section 26, the right of the individual citizen to bear arms in defense of himself or the state shall not be impaired. That's an interesting way of clarifying the U.S. constitutional right to keep and bear arms because it's pretty damn clear. This phrase is not a random insertion in the Arizona Constitution. It does not have a section of fine print about not being applicable when Pima County says something different. Each member of this board took an oath to uphold not just the U.S. Constitution, but the Constitution of the state of Arizona and the laws. Did each member mean it? Your first responsibility is to protect and defend the rights of all. Article 2 has a very long list of enumerated rights of all citizens. This Republican form of government cannot stand when the rights of the minority are undermined, chipped away, or torpedoed by any of you. On today's agenda, you had an item regarding discussion on a memo for client attorney privilege regarding Pima County-owned property, specifically the fairgrounds. Now, I'm not a legal scholar, but I did pretty well in English when I was a kid. The term shall not be impaired is rather definitive. Will the person that ordered this analysis still have a job after today? Because quite frankly, I don't understand the logic of suggesting that somehow, some way, there's a way around such definitive language in the Arizona Constitution. Does this board want to involve itself in a costly fight that will with the citizens and the state, because that's where that mindset will lead you? How many hundreds of thousands or even millions of taxpayer dollars does this board now want to budget to take this on? How many more potholes will go unfilled? How many more parks will be left to resemble parts of the road to Kandahar? How many more basic services of Pima County will be set aside in this quest? I'm not Sancho Panza, but I would remind this majority that even though Pima County is often described as being blue, the majority of the residents in this county do believe that the right to self-protection is worth fighting for. Be it in court or with a recall, taxpayers will not take kindly to Sharon, Richard, Ramon, or Chuck singing the theme from The Man from La Mancha on the taxpayer's dime. I thank you for voting to release the memo, but you need to end this futile quest now.